Did you know the world's most popular medicine was invented by a son who couldn't bear watching his father suffer? In 1897, Felix Hoffmann was a chemist at Bayer in Germany. Every day, he watched his elderly father writhe in agony from severe arthritis pain. Back then, the only treatment was salicin from willow bark, but it caused terrible stomach bleeding and vomiting. Desperate to help his father, Hoffmann spent months in his laboratory. He tried again and again to modify the willow bark compound to eliminate its brutal side effects. His breakthrough finally came when he created acetyl salicylic acid. This was the first synthetic painkiller that could block the body's pain signals without destroying the stomach lining. He tested it on his father first. For the first time in years, the old man could move without screaming. Hoffmann's creation became aspirin. Today, it's the world's most widely used drug, preventing heart attacks and strokes in millions of people. That small act of love for his father accidentally created modern pain medicine.